Boom! My third alpha shiny plus my first dragon type shiny, Gibble. Alright, let's do this. Oh crap. Bro! Oh, for the love. Well, we're just gonna have to get it. Just gonna have to get it as it is. Alright, okay, yes. Ooh. Oh crap. Yes! Shiny Ambipom Shockard. Man, well, at least it's a shiny, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda want duplicate shinies now because, you know, why not? It's a shiny. Oh, come on. No. Stay in the Pokeball. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, Carnivine has kind of like a lame shiny, and it's just, ooh! Speaking of lame shiny, boom, perfect! Oh man. I have only been through like, what, like a whopping 10 Carnivine outbreaks? This is actually insane. Anyway, let's catch this. Yes! I am hoping for another shiny starter, because I only have like, what, 3, 4? And then it's just, oh! Yes! There we go! Alright, perfect. This leads me to my, what, my 3rd or 4th shiny starter. Oh, no. Yes! Alright. Now, my Chop Outbreak does have boosted odds, so we're just gonna have to see. Oh! Yeah! Boom! Right as I got there. This is perfect. Alright. As long as it doesn't get mad at me, it's fine. Yeet! There we go. Yeah! If I remember correctly, yeah, it is. Oh crap, there's an alpha. Better catch that right away. Oh crap. No. Whoa! What? What? No way! Not another shiny! Bro.